Hey guys, so I'm just gonna get right into the tutorial on how I do my brows. I'm just using a spoolie just to brush my brows out just to see which areas are truly sparse and which aren't. So here I'm just using a dark brown pomade. This one is from Anastasia. I'm using this to kind of fill in my brows and kind of define it a little bit. You can use a dark brown shadow if you don't have a pomade. Anything that's just gonna help color in and keep it so looking a little bit more natural. I'm using a dark brown pencil to help define my brows even more, using hair-like strokes to mimic the natural brow hair. And I'm just using a spoolie to help kind of make everything blend together and look a little bit more natural. I'm using a concealer and a flat brush just to dot the product under my eyebrow. This is going to help spread the product a little bit more evenly, and all this is going to do is brighten and conceal some of those brow hairs as well as define the brow itself. I'm just using a clear brow gel just to set all the hair in place so that it doesn't move throughout the day, and then you're done. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.